welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together a contouring palette by Wet n Wild, and this is the Megaglo contouring palette. I got mine in the color Dulce De Leche and you can also find it in one more shade. In this palette we get a contouring shade and also a highlighting shade. They both have a matte finish. I haven't used this one, so we are going to see together if they are creamy, powdery or chalky. It is cruelty free and vegan. The price of it is $4.99 and the quantity that we get is 12.5 grams of product. So let's start digging into this product because I look like a ghost. I am also reviewing a foundation by Wet n Wild and it is not exactly the correct shade. You will see the review in the following days. Share this video with a friend that is looking for affordable contouring products. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. I am also doing a wear test for this foundation, so I will also do a wear test for the contouring palette and we will see if it is long lasting. My favorite brush to apply my contouring products is the MAC brush 109. It can always diffuse my contouring products and make them melted into my skin, so I will use this brush for today. So let's see how these swatch. They are very creamy. Incredibly creamy. We have some kickback, but that's because they are so soft. I will start with my cheekbones. Okay, that looks very beautiful and diffused. I will apply some more. And it is very dusty, you can see that. This blends incredibly easy. It looks very natural on the skin. And I will apply some on my forehead as well. My hair are going everywhere. Stay here. My brush is dying on me today. And when I blend my contouring on my cheekbones, I always blend it towards the tip of my nose because I want to give an uplifted effect to my face. This gives a very nice warmth to the skin, and my foundation today is in the wrong shade. I will apply some on my jawline as well. The nice thing is that you can build the intensity and also it can be very easily blended. If you just want to give a bronzing effect to your skin, you can do it with this powder. You can use a bigger brush and just apply it on the areas that you naturally get bronzed. Bronzing and contouring are two different things. The product is so soft that when you touch your brush into the pan, you have a little bit of kickback. And I will also use it to contour my nose. When I am in a hurry, I just use the same brush and I bring it into my brows because we have some natural shadows from the sides of our nose to the brows and we just intensify that. It is just a little bit flaky around my hairline that I have contoured my forehead, and I think that's because of the foundation, not because of the contouring product, because it blended very nice on my cheekbones. After that I will apply my blush. This is the blush box by Catrice Cosmetics in the color Golden Coral. I will also use the highlighting shade and tap the excess off. I will use it to blend my blush and my contouring. A little bit on my forehead and on my jawline. And I also want to see during the day if my contouring will fade or if it will stay the same. Hi guys, it's been 8 hours and let's see what happened with the contouring products. So as I can see, my contouring looks exactly the same. I like that I was able with the highlighting shade to correct the shade of my foundation because it was a little bit ashy. These two powders are super silky smooth and easy to blend, and I am so happy that I finally tested it and I like it a lot. Give this video a huge thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below if you have tested this contouring palette and if you like it. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!